Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create Harry Potter in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will do is water plus wind right here so that we would have wave, and then after that you want to go for fire right here and then add water right here into fire to create steam. And then once you have it, then the next thing is you want to combine it so that you'd have surf, and then once you have surf you want to combine it with wave, and then you'd have surfer, and then you just want to put this aside for now. And then the next thing that we will do is that we would want to go for we want to create clay, so we would go for earth plus wind so that you'd have dust. And then once you have dust is that you want to go combine it with water to create mud. And then once you have mud is that you want to add another mud right here, and then you'd have clay. And all you have to do now is basically just combine the clay and surfer, create Potter, and then add another surfer to create Harry Potter, and that is basically it.